Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. In Covington, window installation services are in high demand due to the area's diverse climate, which necessitates high-quality, energy-efficient windows. Whether you're considering double-pane windows or vinyl windows, Covington Window Services offer a range of options to suit your needs. Custom windows. Covington are particularly popular for those seeking a unique look that complements their home's architecture, alongside entry doors. Covington for complete exterior upgrades. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for many homeowners in Covington. These windows help reduce energy bills by providing superior insulation, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Covington window experts specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. Double-pane windows. Covington are a popular choice for their excellent insulation properties, much like modern entry doors Covington that improve thermal performance. Window installation is an essential service for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Covington Window Installation Services offer comprehensive solutions for issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty seals. Window glass replacement. Covington is a common request, as it restores the clarity and safety of your windows. Window frame installation and window sealing. Covington are also critical for preventing drafts and water damage, similar to proper installation of entry doors. Covington. Vinyl windows are a popular choice among Covington residents due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows. Covington are available in a variety of styles and colors, allowing homeowners to customize their appearance. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent long-term investment, just like high-quality entry doors Covington designed for longevity. Custom windows offer a personalized touch to any home, and Covington Window Services excel in providing bespoke solutions. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or designs, custom windows Covington can meet your specifications. These windows are crafted to fit your home's exact dimensions, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing architecture, complementing entry doors Covington beautifully. Window sealing and window caulking are vital for maintaining the energy efficiency of your home. Covington Window Sealing Services ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Window caulking. Covington is a cost-effective way to enhance your home's insulation, reducing energy costs and improving comfort, much like professional entry doors Covington installation. Window insulation is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Covington Window Installation Services provide solutions that enhance the thermal performance of your windows. By improving insulation, you can reduce energy consumption and create a more sustainable home. Window maintenance. Covington is also important for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows and entry doors. Covington Window Upgrade Services in Covington offer homeowners the opportunity to enhance their windows' functionality and appearance. Whether you're interested in upgrading to energy-efficient windows or exploring new window styles, Covington Window Upgrade Services can help. Window fitting. Covington ensures that your new windows are installed correctly, maximizing their performance and lifespan, alongside upgraded entry doors. Covington Window Services offer top-notch window installation and window installation solutions for residential properties. Our window experts in Covington specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need double-pane windows or vinyl windows, our window specialists in Covington have you covered, along with premium entry doors Covington options. For those seeking window glass replacement in Covington, our window contractor services are second to none. We handle everything from window frame installation to window sealing, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. Our window caulking and window insulation services in Covington are designed to improve energy efficiency and reduce utility costs, just like our expertly installed entry doors. Covington. When it comes to window fitting and window glazing in Covington, our team of window specialists is unmatched. We offer comprehensive window refurbishment and window solutions to meet all your needs. Our window experts in Covington are dedicated to providing high-quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction, whether working on windows or entry doors. Covington. Explore our wide range of window brands and window warranty options in Covington. Our residential window replacement services in Covington are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal and value. We also offer entry door installation in Covington, making entry doors Covington an ideal complement to our energy-efficient window solutions. Custom windows in Covington are our specialty, providing unique designs and superior craftsmanship. Our vinyl windows in Covington are durable and low maintenance, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Double-pane windows in Covington offer excellent insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, just like insulated entry doors. Covington. Choose our window contractor services in Covington for reliable and efficient window solutions. Our window sealing and window caulking services in Covington prevent drafts and leaks, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. With our window insulation and window maintenance services in Covington, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows and entry doors Covington are well cared for. Trust our window fitting and window glazing services in Covington for a perfect installation every time. Our window refurbishment services in Covington breathe new life into old windows, improving both appearance and performance. Our window solutions in Covington are tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring satisfaction with every project, including entry doors Covington installed by our experts.